All right, 17. It gives me the function. It says, where's the x-intercept? Where's that line, 2x minus 6, cross the x-axis? Well, let's think about it. If it's crossing the x-axis, like right here, it's gone over something, I don't know how much, gone up none. Or maybe it's over here, negative something, but still gone up none. We know the y is 0. So for the x-intercept, we're going to simply set the y equal to 0. So the equation is f of x is 2x minus 6. F of x is y. So we're going to simply set the y to 0. So 0 equals 2x minus 6. Add our 6 to both sides. 6 is equal to 2x. Divide by 2, you should see x is 3. So the x-intercept is 3, comma, 0. That's where it's crossing. It actually was going to cross right there at 3, 0. Y-intercept, a lot easier. You could actually look at the equation and get the answer, but we need to be thinking, let me do this in a different color, we're crossing the y-axis. Well, what do we know is true there? I've gone over none and up something, or maybe I'm down here, I've gone over none and down something. Either way, who is 0? The x. So we're simply going to take this equation, which is y equals 2x minus 6, and we know the x value is 0. So what is the y? Y comes out to be 0 minus 6, negative 6. So it's going to be 0. Negative 6 will be the y-intercept. Number 18, same idea. X-intercept. If we're crossing the x-axis, we know we've gone over something, up none. The y is 0. So we're going to set the y to 0. And again, f of x is simply y. So 0 equals x minus 2. Add 2 to both sides. Well, that was fast and easy. X equals 2. So x is 2, y is 0. It crosses the x-axis at 2, 0. Y-intercept, well, if we're hitting here, we've gone over none, up something, so the x is 0. So I set the x equal to 0. Y equals negative 2. So x is 0, y is negative 2. And actually, from that, I could graph it, boom, connect the 2, 0 and 0, negative 2 and have it graphed, though we could have graphed it anyway because it's in slope-intercept form. X-intercept, what's true? Well, let's think again. We're crossing over something, up none. The y is 0. So I set the y to 0, equaling a half x minus 8. Add my 8, add my 8. 8 is a half x, multiplied by 2 to get rid of that half. 16 is x. So x is 16. The y is 0. So that guy comes all the way over to 16, 0 to cross the x-axis. Y-intercept, well, I've gone over none, up something, so the x is 0. So y equals 1/2 times the x is 0 minus 8. 0 minus 8, y equals negative 8. The x is 0, the y is negative 8, and there I have my y-intercept.